you see right there on the screen. And it's been 14 years since 9/11, and it is still causing pain across the nation. In fact, a new study by Intermountain Medical Center's Heart Institute says the terrorist attacks may have also affected the heart health of Utah residents. Good for Utah's Nadia Crow shows us why 9/11 is still causing heart attacks.
Many of us can't help but remember this scene. Chaos at Ground Zero on September 11th, 2001. And you didn't have to be in New York City to feel the impact of the terror attack.
But what we were able to pick up is in our population that was really sort of remotely related to the events of September 11th, we still had, through the media, had great stress in our lives.
These images dominated our airwaves for months after the incident. And each year, we have large anniversary celebrations. And one research study from the Intermountain Medical Center Heart Institute says it's still taking a toll on people 14 years later.
There seemed to be a huge decrease after September 11th, 2001. So we looked at the year before and the year after and did find a dramatic decrease in this telomere lanes in our population.
A telomere is at the end of a chromosome of DNA. This is video of the genetics lab at the Intermountain Medical Center Heart Institute. It tested 33,000 Utahns to measure the size of their telomeres. The initial goal was to see the effect of air pollution, but what researchers found was more alarming.
Also saw an increase in admissions for the following year for individuals with an acute heart attack. Our community did experience some kind of directly measurable effect on heart health.
That's following September 11th, and another major event could cause the same problems.
Possibly the 2008 market crash. Would we see the same effect on our population in terms of a decrease in their telomere lanes following that event as well?
IMC Heart Institute doctors say this means stress, whether indirect or direct, will take its toll on your heart, whether you know it or not.
We know, and there have been a lot of other studies similarly that show that stress has a major negative impact on telomere length and by extension probably on our health.
In Murray, Nadia Crow, Good for Utah.
The new study will be presented next Saturday at the 2015 American College of Cardiology Scientific Session. It is just one of many research findings the session deems important that the Intermountain Medical Center Heart Institute will present. Teens love to